So, it's been a while since I ran this car, and I figured, you know what, I think I want to run it again, because I haven't done an official review for this, and I want to know what it's like. Last time I ran it was, last time I ran it was at the old BMX track, and I haven't ran it since. Now I did change out the shock oil in the rear yesterday. I actually put a TLR 100 weight in the rear, and I think I've gone up a couple of teeth on the pinion. I think I'm running a 16 tooth in there at the moment. Certainly feels like it's got plenty of guts. Oh, look at that. I just haven't ran this thing in such a long time. I wanted to do another video, and I figured I'll start out here in the open. Oh, I'm hoping that's just a stick. I'm hoping that's just a stick. Yeah, it's fine. Just had a... Oh my god. Oh, and it keeps going. Had a stick stuck in the drive shaft that was clipping the wheels, and yeah, that was a rattling. All right, let's take it on the jumps. Let's get some air. All right. Oof. Not really a lot of grip on the gravel. Whee. And no kids around here today. The last videos I did out here, I had a bunch of kids following me, and that was mainly because it was school holidays, so obviously their parents brought them out here to keep them busy. Okay, I'm realizing that I have very little grip on this gravel. Used to do well on the grass, but come on. Landed that sweetly. That was a blind landing, kind of using the force there to guide my way. Here we go. It's not bad. I forgot what this truck was like. Oops. Yeah, see, when you I accelerate to get up the ramp, and it just gets out of shape so easy. Alright, let's see if I can... Ooh, almost stuffed that up. I reckon this is capable of backflips on 4S. Alright, let's go on the big jump. Let's see what we can do here. Gathering momentum. Nice big landing. It's definitely a lot of height, so I reckon we could do it. Let's see, gather momentum. Didn't quite take off the crest of the jump, went a little bit sideways. Come on, can we do a backflip here? Let's go. Whoops. See, it gets out of shape, and then I try to correct it. God damn it! Tires just aren't gripping. I had this problem last time when I was trying to line up one of my cars. Here we go. That time we did it. That was a really nice landing too. DHK Maximus, eh? Going for broke. Whoops. Just cannot hold a straight line. So hard. I'm trying. You don't understand. You don't understand the struggle. I am trying so hard. Whoa. Broke a tad too early. Collected a bunch of grass on the landing there. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Nice. That worked, that worked. It's got the speed, it just does not. Oh! That that was a hard impact. I am using the stock batteries too, 3200 milliamp 2S, which haven't been used in a very long time, so I don't know how long this is going to go for. Yeah, let's launch it off the big ramp and see what happens. Now, I don't think I'm going to have enough to clear the double. This doesn't have the speed. There's a couple of little muddy puddles I got to avoid as well, so let's hope we don't end up with crap all over our car here, because I don't want to spend a bunch of time cleaning it. Here we go. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Why is the steering so twitchy? I wonder if it's the servo having issues centering. I'm still running the stock servo. Yeah, see, it just gets out of line, and then when I try to correct it, it gets out of shape because the tyres aren't gripping. So I'm kind of losing both ways here. Come on. Oh God! That had a massive kick up. I thought that was going to be disastrous for a second, and it just got a massive kick up in the rear. Wait, that wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all. I'll pay that one. Even though it rebounded off the landing. It doesn't quite have the speed or the precision to do what some of the other cars do. And I guess you can take away from this just a little bit more appreciation for some of the cars that I do launch off here, and how, I suppose, easy I make it look. And you know, those cars help a lot. This one here is proving to be a little bit tricky. You know, the setup isn't quite right. And it's just, yeah, it's proving to be a little tricky, this one. But I'm still able to launch it off the ramp. It's not too bad. Let's see if I can get a little bit more speed out of it. It does it, it does it. Should we try a front flip? Is it worth even attempting this? There's not enough inertia in those wheels. I'm worried that I'm just going to land on my roof. Nope. I didn't land on my roof, but I did switch off my car. I almost had it. Okay. Oh! I was going to say, oh God. I did not expect that. I flipped the car over and everything. Everything seemed fine. So what have I done here? I've sheared something. What have I broken? Is it just the cross pin that's destroyed itself? I think it might just be the cross pin. Yeah, I think it is. I think if I zoom out of here and if my camera could focus in on this, there we go. I think it's just the cross pin here that's sheared off or fallen off. No, it's sheared, it's broken off because it hasn't fallen off the actual wheel itself. So that's what that looks like. And yeah, that's the end of the running video. So I must have landed pretty hard, or maybe more than once. And there we go. Torture tested. It didn't do too bad. I was going to start doing a few more front flips maybe and change things up, but oh well. DHK Maximus let down by a axle cross pin. That's it for this running video, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.